Hi, we're making a doll. You guys haven't heard from me in a long time, in a while, and I just have been really busy. Maxine's making stuff. So this is how we make our dolls. See?
Oh boy.
This is a Santa doll.
Santa's cool.
To and from Veronicas Club. With the little cider, the drinker
He's
whiskey.
not done yet, you know. But we're just
Not done yet.
giving you a little idea of Santa's workshop. That's Santa. Hi, kids. He knows if you've been good or bad. What are you doing?
We're shaping her.
Oh.
See, this first looks like.
Oh, excuse you, ma'am.
Something you can do that with.
Dang.
Wow, right.
It's bopping the camera person.
Dang, I don't even know that
Be
hard.
politically correct.
Okay. I'll take
The
this
camera
stuff out.
person. Our diva cat has come full circle. From the Queen Kitty, you know. This is our diva cat. We got another cat, I think. She's in LA right now. Yeah, she got her little
The
hoops
first one,
on.
the first one.
The very first one, you know, from the cat doll collection.
I don't know if she want to have on leggings. Okay.
Anyway, this one's in the making now. She's up for